Hello everyone! Are you wondering how to play cello with bow? You found right video. Because today I will show you a few simple but very effective suggestions how to hold the bow to produce the best, the most colorful and rich sound on cello. And at first it comes to basics, how to hold the bow. A good bow hold is a foundation of beautiful playing. Here's how to do it step by step. Step 1. Relax your fingers. Shake your wrist a little bit and then put all the fingers on the bow like this. Your middle finger should be touching this metal ring. You can see that there is some distance between fingers. Your index finger should be in this position. Again, the middle finger is touching the ring, and your ring finger and pinky are a little bit apart. The placement of the thumb is very important. It has to be slightly curved, and you place it right here where it comes together with the bow stick. Now you can see my bow hold from the other side. Your thumb also has to be relaxed, and when you'll play, it will move just a little bit. So it will maintain flexibility that will allow you to play with a good and relaxed sound. Never have your thumb in this position. Do you see? If I lift other fingers, you can see it all the way through, and sometimes even touch with your middle finger. That's completely wrong. That will make your wrist to be very flat and low, and you will never be able to move the bow the way it should work. Are your fingers and wrist relaxed? Double check it. Shake them gently again and put them back. Remember, middle finger is touching the ring. And now turn your wrist a little bit this way, towards the tip of the bow. Just a little bit. Double check your thumb position. Remember, no sticking it through the frog like this. And if your thumb is in a good spot, then you will see that your wrist is nice and round. And now put it on the string. Put the bow closer to the frog and start moving the bow. When you have relaxed bow hold, the whole body will be much calmer, much more sensitive to everything you will be doing. And the final step is to produce two beautiful notes, long notes, down and up bow. Hold the bow like this, shake your fingers, put them on the frog, check your thumb position, turn your wrist a little bit this way, and let's start moving it. Did you need more time to prepare? If so, take your time and play those notes several times. Observe what you are doing, listen, and you'll get much better very soon. Did you want to continue learning how to play cello? Check out all educational resources in the description. And there are hundreds of useful videos on Cellopedia. Share your progress in comments, and let's keep learning how to play cello together.